Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a deep cleaning video. I have a few projects around the home that I've been meaning to do for quite a while, so it's deep cleaning day today. I'm going to tackle the dishwasher, the washing machine, the oven, which was quite a state, and just a few random bits in my bathroom as well, like the ensuite, because my bath products and also skincare products have been a bit all over the place lately, so I'm going to reorganize those and just kind of make a bit of a different system for my ensuite. Grab yourself a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, or grab your cleaning products if you're cleaning with me today, and let's go ahead and get started. Today we are starting in the kitchen, so I'm going to tackle my dishwasher first. I'm going to take out the tray, like the bottom one, and then I'm also going to remove the parts that are on here. So you've got kind of like that filter thingy in the middle. So I'm going to take those out and put them in the sink so I can give them a good wash. For this, I'm going to use Cif cream. I find that it works really well, and I'm not going to like it. It looked a bit disgusting. I cannot remember the last time I did this, which is quite bad. So I'm going to do this now, and yeah, I'm just going to clean this really thoroughly, and then I'm going to pop them back in. Also, let me know in the comments below if you guys have any chore or like a deep cleaning task that you keep putting off. For me, it's definitely cleaning the oven. I hate cleaning the oven for some reason, so I just put it off until I really have to do it. So I'm going to do that today.
I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just want to make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I want to kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you.
Moving on to my washing machine, I'm going to take the drawer thingy here out. So these usually come out and you can clean underneath in the back, which it would surprise you how dirty this can get. So I'm going to use my sonic scrubber for this because it's a really awkward area and it's kind of, it's kind of narrow and small, so it's kind of hard to reach with just your hands. So this works perfectly well. So I'm going to use this all over, give it a good clean. There was quite a lot of soap stuck in the back there. And yeah, I'm just going to clean it with my sonic scrubber. I will link this down below. I got it from Amazon, and it's really handy for quite a lot of projects around the home. So yeah, it worked really well in here. And I'm also going to use the sonic scrubber on the actual drawer thingy that I got out. It actually wasn't too bad, this one, but I just wanted to make sure it's quite clean as well. And then I'm going to give it a good rinse with warm water, and then I'm going to pop it back in the washing machine.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you.
Next up, I'm going to wash the door and then also the kind of like the rubbery thing that's on the frame, because that can get quite dirty. You would be surprised what accumulates in there. It's kind of like fluff and things that get caught on there from your clothes. So I'm going to do that really quickly and make sure it's nice and clean. I'm using my Method spray for this. If it's too bad, you can use something a bit more strong, but for me it worked today really well.
It's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
I got this long duster. This is a microfiber cloth from Tesco. So I got this one because I have a few awkward spaces like this one above the washing machine that I cannot reach otherwise. So this is perfect for that. And it was so dusty on top of the washing machine. You can actually see the pieces of fluff falling on the floor. So I'm going to take all of those out, and I'm going to hoover in here as well.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you.
And then you also have this part on the bottom of your washing machine, so you can open it and take it out. You might be worried that there might be a bit of water coming out. I'm not going to do that today because I actually did this a few days ago because my washing machine was giving me an error, which meant I had to clean that part. But yeah, if you're doing a deep clean, you can definitely clean that part as well to make sure it's all nice and clean in there. And then I'm going to pop a load of laundry in my washing machine.
You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Moving on to my oven, as I mentioned before, it's one of the tasks that I really despise doing. So it is looking pretty bad. So I'm going to take all of the trays out. I'm going to soak them, and then I'm going to give the inside of the oven a good clean as well. I actually had no idea until recently, but you can actually take off this glass part over here because it's usually double layered. So if you take it off, obviously you can clean it much better on the inside as well. So I'm going to do that, and I'm using Barkeeper's Friend for this. I use the powder form. So I'm going to spray it on the tray, and I'm going to soak it in a bit of water as well. So I'm going to leave those to soak a bit while I do the rest of the oven.
You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason.
For the oven, it actually wasn't too bad, or not as bad as I expected inside. So I'm just going to use, I've got this kind of a minky dupe. This one is from Primark. I got it a while ago. And I'm just using some fairy liquid. And it worked really well because, as I said, it wasn't too bad. And the trays I was soaking in the Barkeeper's Friend thingy. So I'm going to make sure the inside of the oven is clean, and then I'm going to rinse it out with a damp cloth as well.
Thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You
And then for the glass door here and the tray, I just used, as I said, Barkeeper's Friend and some elbow grease in there because it needed a bit of scrubbing, but it actually came off really well, so it was really nice and shiny at the end. So I'm going to pop all the trays and everything back inside the oven, and I'm also going to spray the outside of the oven because it had a few fingerprints and marks on there, so I'm going to make sure it's looking nice and clean from the outside as well.
Are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try, I think that you won't.
Next up, I wanted to do a deep clean of the sink too, so I'm going to use this sieve cream, and I'm using my sonic scrubber just in the corners here because, as you can see, my sink is kind of a rectangular shape, so it's quite awkward to clean the corners. It's not a great design, if I'm honest. I mean, it's not great in terms of cleaning. It looks lovely, but it's not very practical. So yeah, food gets stuck on there, and the only way I can get it out is with the sonic scrubber. So I'm just going to do that quickly, and then I'm going to give it a good wipe in the entire sink.
And tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world. And tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world.
As you can see here, I'm using my method spray to spray down all of the counters, and I'm also going to use this on the baseboards of the kitchen. You would be surprised how much food splashes and just kind of dust accumulates on there as well. So I'm just going to do that quickly, and then I'm going to move on into our bathroom. Here we are, lots of products on display which I really need to tackle and kind of tidy up. So I'm just going to take all of these products off and off the sink, off the kind of like mirror ledge here that we have, and I'm going to spray down the mirror with my Method glass spray, and then I'm going to start reorganizing everything as well.
But you ain't gazing on someone in denial, 'cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your
For the sink, I'm just going to use the Flash bathroom spray and then also the bathroom Minky, which works really well. It makes the sink look really nice and shiny. So this is what I use for sinks and also for bathtubs as well.
Something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy.
I'm also going to quickly organize this drawer in here. I just kind of tidied up a bit all the products, and then I'm also going to tidy up a few products in this basket. I've also put in there a fake plant from IKEA. I just felt like it gave it a bit of a, I don't know, I just think it looked a bit more lovely than if it's just products shoved in there. And I've got some candles here, a little basket that I put my earrings and things like that in at the end of the day. So I just think it looks so much better now. And yeah, that's about it for my bathroom here. So I hope you guys subscribe and stick around if you enjoyed today's cleaning video, because I make lots of homemaking videos. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!